Welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the nail polish remover wipes that come in rose fragrance, and it is by the brand Cara. I featured this nail polish remover wipes in episode 184. The video is called 5 Ways to Remove Nail Polish. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. About the brand. After a bit of hunting, I was finally able to track down their official website. It is weird that the link was not mentioned anywhere on the packaging. Cara is an Indian brand that is headed by a future consumer. Now the brand Cara focuses on cosmetic-related products such as acetone-free nail polish remover wipes, baby wipes, makeup remover wipes, refreshing wipes, skincare wipes, and Korean face masks. This was mentioned on the website. Whether being used by working woman, mother, or baby Cara wipes infuse the skin with the goodness of natural ingredients, while wiping out the dirt, grime, and sweat throughout the day. The link to the official website is mentioned in the description box below. Where did I buy it from? I bought this nail polish remover from an online store called Nykaa. It is a third-party website and they ship all over India. Check out the description box for the shopping link. Don't forget to check out all the other different nail polish remover brands that I am reviewing. Product packaging. I'll first show you how the product is sold in the market. It comes packed in a soft cardboard packaging that has a clear plastic on the top which holds the main ingredient. After removing the cardboard packaging, the product has another seal. The wipes come in a circular white plastic tub with a screw top for a lid. Cost and lifespan of the product. The wipes cost 100 rupees for a total of 30 wipes. It has a lifespan of 17 months from the date of manufacturing. Sorry for the way my nails look. I'm currently reviewing this nail polish by Miss Claire. If you're interested in brown shade nail polish or the brand, then do check out my review. Claims of the product. On the packaging, it mentions, will effectively remove even the darkest shade. Cleans with soft and gentle touch. Contains argan oil that prevents drying of nails and the surrounding skin. Enriched with olive oil and vitamin E. Has a delightful rose fragrance. Designed to be used anywhere and anytime. The ingredients. These are the ingredients mentioned on the packaging. Don't forget to check out all my nail-related videos. It is a must-watch for beginners. How many sizes are available? I have seen them in only one size. How to store this product. It is best to keep it away from direct sunlight. Personally, I store mine inside our cupboard. How I use this product. I actually take one wipe and cut it in half, as I only apply nail polish on my left hand and not my right hand. I place the wipe on my nail for a few seconds, and then with one wipe, try to take out as much nail polish as possible. My experience with the product. Is this cosmetic a safe beauty? Since I'm not certified nor an expert, I rely on sources that provide me with answers. So I first hop on over to EWG website and check if this product has been tested by them. Since it is not mentioned on the EWG database, I have to do a manual check. I headed over to Paula's Choice Skincare, and even there I was not able to get my answers. Now, even though the brand has mentioned its ingredients, I do not know if they are safe. Packaging. I like the packaging. It's very simple and it's efficient. How does it dispense? You just have to open the lid by twisting it anti-clockwise. Pick up one wipe and close the lid so that the other wipes don't get dried up. The wipes are quite thin. They are thinner than my Bella cotton brand pads. So it takes a few seconds to grab a wipe as they are stuck to one another. It actually feels like I'm peeling a wipe. The fragrance of the cosmetic. Before I start this point, I just want to mention that I have a fragrance allergy. I have not done a patch test yet, but I do keep getting affected sometimes when I come across something with fragrance. The one I bought mentioned rose fragrance. I was actually looking for fragrance-free, but I did not find any. This does have a mild rose fragrance. It does not linger for too long and it did not affect me either. Application. Since the wipes are pre-soaked, the usage is actually pretty easy and faster. Just take one wipe and wipe off the nail polish. Consistency. The wipes just feel a bit damp upon touch, so keep that lid tight to prevent the wipes from drying up. Quality of the wipe. It feels pretty sturdy, as in it does not rip or come apart that easily while using the wipe. Also, these are the thinnest nail polish wipes I have used so far. Travel friendly. It's travel friendly as it is small in size and it also does not leak. Keep in mind that the tub is not very strong, so just don't put anything heavy on it while packing. Checking the claims by this brand. One wipe will remove nail polish from 10 nails. Other tips. A tip I want to mention is when you close the lid, please close it completely. Otherwise, the seal will not be tight and that will in turn dry up the wipes. Another tip I want to mention is about usage. I cut the wipe in half and use it as I only apply nail polish on my left hand only. Pros and cons. It is wallet friendly. It is travel friendly. It comes in a plastic tub that is easy to use. It has a lifespan of 17 months from the date of manufacturing. No logos printed anywhere on the packaging. Unfortunately, I could not find any information about this even though the ingredients are mentioned by the brand. It is not fragrance free and the smell does linger for a while after application. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2020. Did you check them out? Links of all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. My rating. I rate this product a 3. It loses points because I don't know if this product is safe or not, and also I prefer a cruelty-free product. Ease of usage, I'm going to give it a 4. Storage and maintenance also gets a 4. Travel friendly, also a 4. Value for money, again a 4. The overall rating, I'm going to give it a 3. I am feeling a bit down for giving this a 3 rating. It would have been really good if it was cruelty free and also if I knew that the product was safe. Will I buy this product again? Personally, I won't buy wipes as I actually prefer acetone-free nail polish bottle remover that comes in a bottle. I'm just more comfortable with them. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!